And finally, who doesn't have someone next to them or is the person with that persistent cough that won't go away? Many of us know that this is something that we shouldn't worry about. You tell us.
Generally, nothing to worry about
Okay.
because, you know, it's happened to all of us. You get a cold, and even though you're feeling better, that cough won't just go away. Well, an article from the Canadian Medical Association says as many as a quarter of adults experience a cough that can last up to 8 weeks after a respiratory infection. Now, that doesn't mean that you're still infected or contagious, but the inflammatory process actually triggered by the respiratory infection can cause your body to continue to overproduce mucus or can cause your airways to become hypersensitive, both of which can lead to a nagging, lingering cough. It almost always goes away on its own without medication. A lot of medications don't work anyway.
Right.
However, if you develop a fever or shortness of breath, or obviously if you're coughing up blood, or your cough lasts more than a couple of months, you really should call your doctor.
But don't assume it's a relapse or something serious.
Exactly.
Great. Thank you, doctor. Well, if you have a question for Dr. Malika Marshall of any kind, you can reach her on Facebook at Dr. Malika Marshall. You can also send her an email at drmalika@cbs.com. David?
All right, Lisa, thank you.